So as a professional carpenter, we got this essential tool that we use for our bench drill press. So this model that we got, it has the rails. It has this insert that you remove if you wanted to remove the dust to blow it easy. So you can remove this. They also give you the back support for it. They give you the bolts, everything to screw it in. They give you a stopper. And they give you some extra stuff for legs. If you have a small one, we have a big drill press, so we won't need that. And the most important, it also comes with instructions, so to show you how to put it together. And we're gonna put it together for you guys right now. Okay, so these are the screws that go here for the guy, and they slide over on the insert. If you see, you slide them in. And then they have the hole, so you put them together like that. First, if you need to put washers, you can put them on. And the other thing that I like about this guy, so you move it, it has the inches on the side. It goes up to a foot. So you can move it, so you can test it to see where you're at. Like that, and you can move it around. It's a nice thing. You can stop it. So this is our new table when we do small stuff that we need it with a guide to make holes. And we don't want to be measuring with the tape, so this will automatically give us our dimension. So this cutout is when you're drilling, if you're doing metal or woodworking and there's a lot of dust or debris from the metal, you could actually connect the vacuum at the bottom.
Yeah.
So it can pull all your dust. We don't have it connected, so we're gonna put the adapter back on.